Hello bosses, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to attach these beautiful shiny details to a dress, basically transforming this dress from ordinary to extraordinary. If this sounds like something you're interested in, do make sure to keep on watching and let's get started. So to do this, you will need your cup chains and your glue. For the glue, I'm making use of T8000, and I must say this is the best glue I've used so far. All of that glues worked, but this worked way better. It had like a great hold. So yeah, to do this, if you look closely, you're going to see that the dress have like a seam in front. That's the point where we joined the upper bodies to the skirt portion. Yeah, and we're going to be using that as a guide. Good. So now, and if you look closely, you're also going to see that the cup chains are of different lengths, one longer than the other, and the list goes like that. So now to do this, you're going to be making use of your tape. Now for mine, I ensured I had ½ inches of demarcations or like space in between each lines for the cup chains. Yeah, so yours can vary, depends on what you want. And yeah, that's what I did for mine. And the next thing now will be to go ahead and basically measure the lines basically for our cut chains. So for the shorter one, I placed 2 inches at our seam line. Basically the length of the shorter one is measuring 4 inches, while for the longer one I placed 2.5 inches on the seam line, basically measuring 5 inches. So like you can see by the video by the side, I went ahead to just like rule straight lines at each of my ½ inches point, varying from 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Do you get me? Because one longer than the other. And the next thing will be to apply your glue. So I went ahead and I applied my glue, and after it's done, I go ahead to place the cup chains I already cut. So now for the cup chains, you go ahead and you cut one, and use the other to cut subsequent ones, thereby saving you time here. And then you go ahead and attach it. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the down portion, ensuring that I have ½ inches of demarcations. For the shorter one, I made use of 5. For the longer, I made use of 10. And also make sure to place your nylon just so the gum does not hold the fabric together, thereby closing the whole thing. Do you get me? Just like we did for the upper portion, apply your glue and then put your cup chains. And that's basically how I transformed this plain looking dress to this gorgeous looking dress. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. A tutorial on how to make the dress is already up on the channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. You can do well to check it out. Thank you once again and bye-bye.